If you want to maintain your privacy while using Expedia, you can easily hide your online status. Follow these steps to manage your visibility settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Expedia website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find privacy settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Privacy Settings. Click on this to access your online status options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, locate the option for Show Online Status or similar wording. Toggle this setting off to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the settings page to ensure your preferences are applied. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Expedia and enjoy a more private browsing experience.